3 days, pool cage up and finished, and we lost our original screen, but how much less it was than everybody else's. Screens are as tight as a drum, beyond my expectations. Phil Jones, and we lost our original screen during Hurricane Ian. And due to insurance issues and the amount that was covered, we put it at the bottom of the list to get it replaced. And then we had a hard time finding a company that would give us an acceptable price. They were all just way out of control. I saw an ad for Screen Factory Florida, and I called them. They sent a man out to give me an estimate, and I was very impressed with the timely manner that they came, that the measurements they took, and the estimate that they gave him. I couldn't believe it, how much less it was than everybody else's. And so I contracted them to put it in. They showed up when they said they were going to. They delivered the materials 1 week. The next week, 2 guys came. In 3 days, they had the pool cage up and finished, and they just did a beautiful job. The screens are as tight as a drum. They cleaned up well after the construction. To say, I guess it was beyond my expectations the way it worked out, and I am just very pleased with it. I recommend them to everybody that asks me about a pool cage. I say you need to call these guys and have them come take a look at it, because they're going to do you a good job. And so I'm very pleased with it.